Hi guys, how are you? I'm having fun. What about you? Today we're going to make chaya.
Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, Arjav's Little World. Arjav loves chai in the morning. So today he told me, let's show you guys how to make chai. Right?
Yeah.
Do you know how to make chai?
Yeah.
How do we make chai?
Chai puri.
Chai puri. Okay, so he's talking about tea leaves. Then what do we put in there?
Boiling.
Boil the water, yes. And then your favorite? Milk.
Milk.
Plus cardamom.
Plus cardamom.
What else do we add for sweet flavor in the chai? What do we add?
Sugar.
Sugar! Good job! Actually, chai is his favorite. Right, Putta? Yeah? So let's go and make some yummy chai, right?
Yeah.
Come on, guys.
Turn on the stove. Keep the kettle on the stove. Pour a cup of water. Put 2 spoons of sugar. Let it boil. Let's put the tea leaf. Mommy, 1 more spoon.
Okay.
Crush 2 cardamom. Put it in the boiling tea. Let it boil. Pour 1 cup of milk. Let it boil. See, it's bubbling. Looks yummy. Let's turn off the flame and pour it in a glass. Strain it and pour it. This is written up in the Paw Patrol glass.
Wow, is that your chai glass?
Yeah?
Cheers. Yay. Let's try.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Again, yummy.
I like chai too. Chai is my favorite.
Yeah, mine also.
Yours too? High five. Matching, matching.
Again, yummy.